Hello guys, welcome to your science class. Today we'll continue talking about vertebrates. Last class we learned the characteristics of mammals. Today we'll continue with the second group, birds. Enjoy your class. Characteristics of birds. As you know, they are vertebrates and they have 2 wings. Most birds can fly. Observe this video. What's going on with this bird? Find a mistake and tell me later, okay? They are oviparous. It means that they lay eggs to reproduce. Another important characteristic of birds is that the shape of their beaks is related directly with their diet. What do I mean? It means that it is related to what they eat. For example, carnivores have sharper beaks. Okay, so if we observe their beaks, we will find out what is their favorite food. Observe this video. This is a carnivore bird. Look at this chart. Here you have different types of beaks. If you look at them, you will find out or figure out the type of diet they have. As you can see, they have 2 feet and walk on the ground. Okay, in this video they look like dancing, right? How do they breathe? They breathe using their lungs. They inhale and also they exhale. They have feathers and protect them and keep them warm. This time I'm showing you the real peacock. Isn't it wonderful? Thanks for your attention, sweethearts. See you later. Bye.